Here is problem 1 of area of polygons. So it says find the area of the given polygon. And this is a triangle, and the method that I like best is box method. So I'm just going to draw a box around this shape. So then we can find the area of the whole rectangle, and then we could just subtract the space that's not in the original triangle. So it's base times height. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It'd be 9 by 5. And then this one's 4, and this one's 1. And then first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to find the area of this triangle. So I'm going to do area equals 1/2 4 times 9. And I know that 4 times 9 is 36. So 1/2 of 36 is 18. So this triangle, this area, is 18. And then I'm going to do the same for this small triangle. So its area equals 1/2 1 times 9. And so 1 times 9 is 9. And 1/2 of 9 is 4.5. So this triangle is 4.9. Then after I have these two triangles that aren't the given polygon, I can then find the area of the whole rectangle. So 9 times 5 is 45, and then subtract those small triangles. So minus 18 and minus 4.5. And then you get 22.5 square units. And that's the answer. So this is 22.5.